Barry! It's going again.
Jesus Christ, it's moving really quickly. Ferris!
I got it on video this time. It's not going to mean much on the camera, but...
No.
Same thing again.
Same thing again, that light. That's moving really quickly.
Where is it?
Right up above us.
Just over there.
Stop moving now. Yeah. Oh no, it's going away.
This is where it takes off. Look, it's just gone.
This has disappeared.
This disappeared, isn't it?
That is the weirdest thing.
Holy shit.